about you folks, it's Lee here. It's been a long time, but hopefully I'm back now. I have got an order here from BB Crafts that I just wanted to show in a wee haul. They contacted me last month and asked did I want to try a few items, so I'm not being paid for this or anything. They just sent me the items and asked did I want to try a few things, so here I am. So I'll put all the links to the items that I got down below and to their website, but I thought I would just come and show you today what I got. So this only took 7 days to get to Northern Ireland. That is really, really impressive, and I think it's sat with customs for like maybe 2 or 3 days. So I mean that's pretty fast postage to get to Northern Ireland. So I'm just going to open this up. It came really well packaged. Sorry if I sound a bit hoarse, I'm not terribly well at the minute. So first thing I got is 10 strands of beads, and I'll just show you them. Ooh, oh wow, they're gorgeous. Oh my word, there's loads. Wow, look at those. Oh, they're gorgeous. Glass beads. They're stunning. Beautiful. And obviously I'm going to come back and do videos and show you what I'm going to do with these. All these bits and bobs. So they're gorgeous. 10 strands of those. Just set those there. Next thing I got was chain. Wow, I think there's, I'm trying to remember, I think it's 10 yards maybe, but I'll check. I'll put all the links below for you anyway. So it's like a silver chain. It's gorgeous. I know exactly what I'm going to do with that. Next was 10 strands of, these are different shape beads from the other ones. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow. These are like teardrops nearly. Gorgeous. And then the next thing I got was these tools. I have a really cheap set that don't have the spring grip, and they're really, honestly, they're useless. They're absolutely useless. So I went for these ones, and I'll just open this up for you. So I just took them out of the box so I wouldn't have to rattle with everything. These are really heavy duty, really good quality. They've got a great spring in them, whereas I have the old ones. I'll just show you. I have these old ones and they're awful. Look, it doesn't even open now. These don't even, like, they're so cheap and nasty. But these are really hefty and heavy. Really good quality. Great spring, great grip. So easy to close. That's the wire cutters. God, they're amazing. They're fantastic. And that's for doing your hoops and things in your jewellery. They're fantastic. Brilliant. Really, really pleased with those. Chuffed. And the last thing is a big box of glass pearls. So I'll take this out of the box and show you what these are. Oh, it comes in a plastic container as well. Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, that's really, really good. Wow. I wasn't expecting that at all. Wow. Oh, sorry for the noise. So these are glass pearls in all different sizes. If I take them out like that, that'll probably be easier. My goodness, like there's hundreds. Wow. I'll have to untangle those, but that's not going to be a problem. So you've got the super teeny ones. There's the next. Right up to, I think, is it about 10 mil maybe? 8, 10 mil. From, say, 3, 4 mil up to 10. Oh, I definitely know what I'm going to do with these. Wow, that's fantastic. And it's got the storage box as well. That is really, really good. That's fantastic. What a great haul. Thank you very much to BB Crafts. I'll put all the links down below. I'm going to come back and show you what exactly I'm going to do with these beautiful items. So I'll see you all soon. Bye for now. From teeny tiny. Of course, I've got them all tangled up.